All right. Let's do this. This may be contender for best unboxing I've ever done on the channel. All right, guys, so in front of me, I have some really cool pairs of shoes that I just cannot wait to get into them. All of these are extremely cool, two of which are like last year's best sneakers, and we do have a little surprise to get into. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jump straight into it. All right, so this is the first package I wanna get into. It says fragile. Art and glass. Whatever could that be? How does this open? Do not want to damage what is inside of here. You guys are probably really like, what the hell is going on right now? I really don't want to use a knife for this, but I am just going to cut this tape off. The person who sent this to me did not tell me what this looked like, so I did want it to be a surprise. Oh man, it's looking good. Oh, this is so cool. Alright guys, so this package is from my guy Harry over at Hyped Prints. He custom made a couple of these prints to show you guys. So this is one of them. I'll show you this first one. Super awesome. This is like such amazing quality. He does them all by himself. And we've got this one. Wow. Here we go. So this is like a grid of like some of the best shoes. Like if you are a sneakerhead, you will really appreciate this art. Wow, look at that. Jeez. Like this in a frame is gonna look insane for the studio. Last but not least, this is one I haven't seen yet. He asked me if I wanted a custom one that is designed specifically for the channel. Oh my God. L Bell sneakers. Wow, thank you so much, Harry. This is insane. So nice. Got L Bell sneakers, which is my Instagram name. If you guys want to go and follow my Instagram. Foam runners, the Sacais. Look at that, we got the New Balance 327. That's one of my favorites. It is so good. Anyway, if you guys want any of these or to custom make your own one, again, you can ask him to make any of your favorite sneakers and chuck him in. He can do all kinds of different designs. Make sure to go and check him out on Instagram at hyped_prints. I will have that down in the description. Of course, I will also have his shop link down in the description below. And also, Harry was nice enough to give you guys 15% off any of the prints that you guys want. So make sure you use that code EP Sneakers, all one word, all caps, and that will get you 15% off to shop any of the different designs on his website. Honestly, guys, they are super awesome. But yeah, I'll link all of the details down in the description for you guys to go and follow. All right, the fun does not stop there because we got another one. All right, so this is one I was really wanting to check out. It's a brand new sneaker model. We got a brand new pair of New Balances. This is the pair that I got. Again, I really wanted to take a look at this one. Wow, here we go. The New Balance 5740. This is awesome. This is a brand new Balance model. Wow, that midsole actually feels really squishy. I can't wait to try these on. And it's actually a lot more soft than I thought it was going to be. Materials are really nice. Again, New Balance, you are just killing it. Got these really nice colors, but at the same time, it just has like an OG, almost vintage vibe to it. All right, this next one is a huge one, and it is actually two pairs, so I do have some explaining to do. Oh, we got some business cards here. Yes, I didn't get these from StockX. My guy over at Boy Better Kicks gave me a really solid deal on two pairs of Jordan 1s. So let me show you what these are. Let's pop the top off. Of course, guys. Of course. You know I wasn't gonna leave this out from the channel. You know I had to grab it. Even though I did take an L, I had to get it in hand. And this is the first time I'm seeing this. And yep, I mean, hey, it's a nice Jordan 1. So obviously the Jordan 1 Mocha, one of the most hyped pairs of Jordans for a very long time. And yes, it's a very good looking colorway. You guys can let me know whether you think this is overhyped or not. So what I did end up doing, because he gave me such a good deal, I grabbed 2. So his good deal was pretty much on getting both of these. Yeah, I got the double. So a double up of the Jordan 1 Mocha, and I just feel like, you know, if you don't grab these now, I'm so sure the price is just gonna go up. I mean, it's just been going up ever since the release. People are loving this one. The sales on it are incredible. There's just so many people that want this colorway. Yes, it's a little bit annoying that it's so ridiculously expensive and there's so much hype around it, but hey, it's gonna happen and we just gotta live with it, and you can either pay to play or you don't and you're out of the game. So another one to get into. Now this is last but definitely not least. Okay, so my address is all over this thing. You guys know I had to do this one as well. You guys know exactly what I went and did. You can tell by the box. Now I didn't do too much damage, don't worry, let me explain. So let me slide them open and let me introduce you guys to my latest pickup. I had to, man. The Sacai, and this is the, what do they call this? The Villain Red or something. I did it, guys. I finally got my size in the Sacai Vapor Waffle. As you guys know, if you've been following the channel, that is the one I made a mistake on, and I got a size up rather than my actual size. So finally, we have my size in the building. You know, I just had to do it before these prices just start getting way out of hand. So yes, the prices on these keep on going up. And again, it's the same as the Mochas. Like you either grab them now or just forget about it, because it's gonna go way out of my budget real soon. So again, when you see these in hand, it's like, it's such a cool looking shoe. It's so different. And yes, they were extremely limited. I do think that they are bringing out more colorways. So if you guys did miss out, just look forward to those. So hey, this is my latest pickups. Again, if you want to see a review on specifically the New Balances or maybe even the Sacai's, I feel like it's a little bit too late for the Mochas, but yeah, let me know down in the comment section. Of course, be sure to go and check out Hyped Prints, because I think it's super awesome. I know you guys would love it. I'm loving it. I'm definitely gonna get one framed for the office. That pretty much wraps it up. Let me know what you guys think of all of these. Thank you so much for coming through, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Hey, I will catch you guys all in the next video, but until then,